How to hide photos in Google Drive. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So to hide photos in Google Drive, you can basically follow the steps. Now first of all, what you can do is you could simply move your folder, or you could just create a folder and move it to your Google Drive. So go ahead and open up your Google Photos and then create a folder. Let's see, I'm gonna go with this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap on it and tap the three dot icon and click on move to folder. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on new, and then I'm gonna type in the name and create one. When I've actually done this, I'm gonna go ahead and tap on the three dot, and then you just have to, then you can go to the collections tab. You can see this is the one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and share it to mine, and then you could go ahead and press on the share button. When you actually do this, you could go ahead and tap on my drive. Now you could go ahead and open up your drive or your Google Drive. When you open up your drive, make sure that you're logged into the same Google account. As you can see, this is the one. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on 3, go to manage access. Make sure to restrict this, and you could go ahead and restrict anybody with the link, all that. So this is basically how you can hide photo in Google Drive. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.